Khalifa Muhammad Sanusi II CON, but to begin with the words, once upon an extraordinary Nigeria was etched his name in the annals of this country privilege to invite to the stage a Fulani nobleman of rare distinction.
Please permit me to stand on already established protocol. And I thank the MC for not giving me 2 or 3 minutes, but I will try to be brief. As a chair of the Council of the Nutrition Society of Nigeria and a member of the Nutrition Council. To
His Highness Khalifa Muhammad Sanusi II, 14th Emir of Kano and Chair of the Nutrition Society of Nigeria and Grand Khalifa of Tijaniya, West Africa. Your Excellencies, distinguished ladies and gentlemen.
I thank my brother, the colorful and erudite 14th Emir of Kano, His Highness Khalifa Muhammad Sanusi II.
And General.
Honored guests.
Present and our sponsors. Present our sponsors.
Thank you.
بس